Hi, Escambia County teachers. Have you found yourself accidentally deleting an assignment in your gradebook and needing to recover that grade data? Well, join us for a Byte of Tech with your student data team as we look into our gradebook reports for restoring deleted assignments. You can navigate to your gradebook assignments from two ways. On the left-hand side, you can look for the reports icon, click on grades, and then drop down to gradebook reports. However, if you're currently working in your gradebook, you can go to the top right corner and click on reports from there. Looking down the list on the left-hand side, you'll find deleted assignments at the very bottom. Once you select this report, you'll be able to see each one of your deleted assignments. Now, this is only for the particular section that you're currently working in, so these are not assignments across all sections. In the headings above, you'll see assignment title, deleted date, term, and the number of grades that are associated with that assignment. For example, we have 19 grades with these two assignments at the bottom. You can also use your filters across the top if you'd like to do a more specific search. Once you find the assignment you'd like to recover, click Restore and you'll receive a confirmation box asking if you're sure you want to restore this assignment. Once you select Yes, that assignment will reappear back in your gradebook with all grade data intact. Return back to your gradebook to see the newly restored assignment. Here you'll be able to see that all of the assignment details are still in place, as well as all of the previously entered grade data. Students and parents are now able to see this assignment again on their portal. So now you've worked to recover deleted assignments. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click the bell so you can get notifications about all of our new content.